In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install n8n in Windows with Node.js. No Docker. We're going to keep this simple and fast. n8n is a powerful workflow automation tool, and on Windows, the easiest way to get it running without Docker is to use Node.js. So first, download and install Node.js on your PC. Head to the official Node.js website and grab the Windows installer. I recommend choosing the LTS release since it's the most stable for everyday use. Run the installer, accept the license, and keep the default options. The installer will add Node and n to your system path automatically, which means you'll be able to use them from any terminal window right after installation. When the installer finishes, you can close it. There's nothing else to configure here. Once Node.js is installed, open your terminal. On Windows, that could be Command Prompt, PowerShell, or Windows Terminal. Any of these will work. In the terminal, type the following command exactly as you see it. npm install n8n g. The e.g flag means global, so n8n will be available system-wide, and you won't need to set up a separate project folder just to run it. Press Enter, and give it some time. This step downloads all the packages n8n needs, and depending on your internet speed, it might take a few minutes. It's normal to see a lot of messages scrolling by. As long as it completes without errors, you're good to go. If the terminal doesn't recognize npm right away, just close and reopen the terminal so your path updates. When the installation finishes, n8n is ready to use. Start it by running n8n start. That's it. No extra configuration is required for a basic local run. After a moment, the terminal will show you a local address with a port number, typically something like http://localhost 5678. Keep the terminal open, copy that address, and paste it into your web browser. You'll land on the n8n interface, and from there, you can begin building and testing workflows right on your machine. A quick tip before we wrap up: as long as you want n8n running, leave that terminal window open. Closing it will stop the service. If you need to stop n8n manually, press Ctrl+C in the terminal, and that's all you need. You installed Node.js, installed n8n globally with npm, started it, and opened it in your browser via the local address and port shown in the terminal. You're ready to automate.